This AI technology turns text into animated videos featuring real humans who speak anything you type. It is called HumanPal. Creating a video for any marketing goal is now as easy as writing an email. Step 1. Simply select a video template and an AI.
Okay, hello, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I'm back with another video, a short video, showcasing this amazing platform. To this video, I'm gonna show you how you get access to this amazing platform, and I'm gonna break down uh, the whole situation about how to use it and everything. But we're gonna separate that in short videos. This video it's gonna be just what I have already told you, to just show you how to you get access. I'm gonna leave a link to the description and to the comments, so that you can visit this page. To this page, you're gonna find all you need to learn more about this amazing platform, that you can create any kind of video in just some simple and easy clicks. Okay, you just create any promotional video, or even affiliate videos, anything you want. You can create with this platform easily and very fast in any language, and you can choose your own spokesperson. Okay, the link that I include to all of those videos, it links you to straight to the sales page, where you can learn even more and in more details. Okay, it's the page that I already showed to the first video, and I already have opened here, and you can easily check. The point is that right now you can have the full price of the HumanPal with the full features. You can have it just with $49. Okay, you can create easily all those videos, and the price is one time fee. Okay, you don't have to pay monthly fees or anything else. There is an upsell that you can get even in fact, I'm gonna show you here. You see, with $49 you get all those stuffs. You're gonna find any detail you want in the sales page, but I don't want to focus on that part. From the time that you create your account, you're gonna find you're gonna have access to the platform. You're gonna receive an email, in which email you're gonna be asked to create a password, and then you're gonna be able to see this page. Okay, here is where you can connect to the HumanPal platform. Here is where all this magic is happening. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna just connect here and show you the interface. You're gonna see the first video from Paul Pona. It's the vendor and the one guy that it's in fact the CEO of this amazing app, and you're gonna see that there are some other platforms over here advertised that you can have access in a special price. We're gonna talk about most of those amazing platforms, but at the moment let's focus that to HumanPal. You're gonna get an introduction video getting to HumanPal, and then you're gonna see that over here you have all what you need. You can change your password. You can change the language. Okay, you see there are many languages that you can select. You're gonna see that there are the tutorials here that you can see videos step by step how to create any kind of video. But one way or the other, all those stuff, even if you're not already interested in that, and you're not you didn't decide how exactly you're gonna use this tool. One way or the other, I'm gonna showcase this platform. I'm gonna showcase this tool. You're gonna see exactly what it does and how many things you can do with this platform. And I'm gonna show you how you can use everything, like the create video, and the way that you can use the AI human photo generator, an, an amazing tool that you can even add your own photo and adapt it to the AI human photos that the system creates for you. Um, you're gonna see here that I have created some videos. Here I showcase. I'm gonna show you some. After a while, after 6 or 8 months, many of those videos are being deleted because uh, it's not possible to be hosted to the same platform. So you can just download it and upload to YouTube and to your channel. Let me show you here how I promote another platform that it's the InVideo AI, and how I promote here the OSP, well-known affiliate program. Let me show you, in fact, and see a real case. You see,
Get ready for the biggest giveaway
I'm gonna
contest ever. Join
open it
Wayne Live on
so that
Saturday,
you can
June
see
8th at
in
5
full.
p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. at Estate. Wayne Crow is hosting an unprecedented 100,000 giveaway contest. Last time, over 14,000 comments flooded Facebook, causing technical issues. This time, he is off Facebook to ensure everyone can join.
You see, it's amazing how the human pal, the human spokesperson I chose, showcase what I asked and what I wrote to the platform to tell. I'm gonna show you step by step to the next videos, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'm gonna show you even
Are you
to
ready
this
to
one.
create stunning videos in minutes? With InVideo, you can make professional videos fast. No experience? No
You see, it
problem.
looks great.
InVideo's AI does the work for you. Just
You
enter
see
your
the
text,
movements
choose a
and
template,
everything.
and watch it come to life.
It looks perfect.
Get access to thousands of templates for any need. From social media
And you notice that you have even the subtitles. You have everything created, and everything works perfect.
to
You see.
ads, we have it all.
You see, all the movements are how physical they are, and how nice the product is promoted and showcased. You can change your background to the video, to or you can add the video in the video, so that you make it more fancy or anything. I'm gonna break it down to you, and I'm gonna show everything you need to know, how it works, and so that you're gonna be sure that every dollar or euro you're gonna give to this product, it's just worth the price. It's really really amazing. Okay, I'm not gonna keep this video longer. I just wanted you to have an idea about the interface and what you get when you buy the product. And to the next videos, you're gonna see in details exactly how easily and what amazing videos we can create together. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see for sure too many AI tools and amazing platforms. Thank you very much. Wish you the best and see you to the next video. Bye bye.